GIS tutorial series. Today we are going to walk you through the process of installing QGIS on macOS. QGIS is one of the most popular free GIS software options out there, and it's available for all major operating systems including Mac OS. In this video we'll cover everything from downloading and installing QGIS to exploring the interface and key features. And another video, incoming video, we also discuss how to install QGIS on Windows. So let's get started. So first we have to discuss what's the minimum requirement system requirement for QGIS. So the minimum requirement for QGIS on Mac OS. Mac OS 10.13 High Sierra or later, 4 GB of RAM, 1.5 GB of available disk space. So what's recommended? Mac OS 10.15 Catalina or later, 8 GB or more of RAM, SSD for better performance. If you have a hard drive, it's okay. Internet connection for downloading additional plugins. So let's move to Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome and write qgis.org. So the official website of QGIS is open. Now click on the download button. Before download starts, skip and go to download. We need to download latest version for Mac OS 3.38. Set the path for downloading the QGIS file. So double click on .dmg file. And it's verifying .dmg file. So wait for it. Now click on agree. Now you will see a window asking you to drag the QGIS icon into your application folder. So we drag the icon to application folder. Now it's preparing to copy to application folder. So we should wait for some time. Launchpad and find the QGIS. Click a single click on QGIS. Now wait for it. First time on starting, it will take some time. By the way, once QGIS is in your application folder, you are ready to launch it. QGIS. Now it will show QGIS cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. So to solve this issue, you have go to system preference. Find security and privacy. Click on General, then allow apps downloaded from. Click on Open Anyway. Open. Now it's working fine. It will ask for the password. So enter the password. Cancel. So QGIS open successfully. Okay. So that's a news tab. Okay. Now there are different options as you can see. So here's a quick overview of the QGIS interfaces. You will find the menu bar at the top where you have access to various tools and settings. Just below that is the toolbar, which contains shortcuts for common actions such as adding layers. That's a new geopackage layer. Open data source. That's a new shapefile layer. New spatial light layer. New temporary scratch layer. We discuss all these things in our further tutorial step by step. So we will use each and every options according to our needs. Okay. So there is a zoom in, zoom out, style manager, show layout manager, new print layout. That's a zoom full. Select and deselect, select by location attribute table. All these things we will work on it in our further tutorials. So on the left we have the layer panel. This is the layer panel which shows the different map layers that you are working with. This is where you will add and manage data, whether it's a shapefile, raster image, or even GPS data. We will discuss what is shapefile, what is raster images, etc. So the center of the screen is the map canvas where you will visualize and interact with your spatial data. We will this area. This one is the center of the screen. Okay, now so that's our QGIS installing tutorials for Mac OS. So stay tuned for our next video where we all dive into importing data, creating layers and performing basic spatial analysis. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. So see you next time.